Thank you, Tita Donna, for the blender and the fruits. I like the sour part from the green apple. It tastes very good. I like the bit of sweetness from the banana and strawberries, the frozen.
Grabe maka-review, bay.
Really good.
Pila man ang ratings?
9.4.
Na lang yun gitan? Not perfect pa di ay? Why? What's the kulang di ay?
You need to take off the green peeling from the green apple.
Yeah, I also see that.
Why?
I don't like it.
Dili na mo ganahagpan sa apple?
The peeling.
Di ay?
It's so hard to chew.
Pero na-blend naman siya.
Still.
But shut if you put ice.
Pero frozen naman tong kuan, strawberry. Sige, bye-bye, Tita Donna. Thank you.